Today's lesson, surface area from nets. The surface area of the box can be used to determine how much paper is needed to wrap around the box with no extra paper. The surface area of a figure is the area of the outside faces. A net is a 2D or flat representation of a 3D figure, or a 3D figure unfolded. This is called a net. This is a net for the box. It is considered the net of a cube. Nets show faces of figures. These are its faces. To find the surface area, the first step is to draw your net. Here we have a square pyramid. The base is a square and the sides are pyramids. So we draw the square first and then the triangles on each side. Our dimensions for the square are 14 by 14 and the height of the triangle is 8. So then we go and label our dimensions on our net. The height of each triangle we will place an 8. For the length of each side of the square, we will place a 14. The length of each square is also the base of the triangle. Next, we find the area of each individual surface. We'll start with the area of the triangle. Remember, the triangle's formula is 1/2 times the base times the height. Substitute in your numbers. 1/2 times 14 times 8 gives us 56 units squared. Then we find the area of the square. The area of the square is base times height, or S squared. 14 times 14 gives us 196 units squared for the area of the square. Then we have to add all of the faces together. We're going to add 56 4 times because there are 4 triangles, and 196 1 time. 196 plus 56 plus 56 plus 56 plus 56 gives us 420 units squared for the total surface area of the square pyramid. This process is the same for any three-dimensional shape. You just change the formulas you need based on what polygons make the three-dimensional shape. Remember, area is always in whatever units squared, centimeters squared, inches squared, feet squared. Since this one didn't have a unit labeled, we just use the word units.